Are you a new real estate agent that's looking for a way of kickstarting their business, or an experienced agent that just needs to step back and refocus in their business and get focused on the right things? My name's Josh Williamson. I'm with eXp Realty Tuscaloosa, and I wanted to tell you about my good friend Genny Williams with Get a Real Estate Life. She has this amazing program called 60 Days to Six Figures. I took me and my team and my brokerage through their program, and it really helped us dial back and focus on the things that were important. It really helped us get our database together. It helped us focus on the basics of the business again. And guys, I promise you, if you'll go through this course, you will not regret it. You will go through this course, and at the end of this course, you'll gain clarity of what you need to be doing consistently in your business. Look, the number one reason that agents fail in this business is overwhelm. They're so overwhelmed by everything that everybody's throwing at them. Open houses, calling expireds, for sale by owners, your database. I'm going to tell you, your database is where your business is. Your database is gold. And if you'll begin starting off your business the right way, going through this program, 60 Days to Six Figures, you will not regret it. I can promise you that.